Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is 2014-2013 Toyota Camry. The key is inside, right? Okay, we have this car here. The customer called me and said, you know what, Mohammed, we have this car not starting at all. 2 months ago or something, we programmed the key or something like that. He said, okay, this car doesn't work. When I come here, first you need to do visually inspect the security light. Don't start doing anything. So if it is a key problem or the key is bad or security problem, just by putting the key inside, like here, look here. If I put the key inside, this light will go off. Take it out, it's blinking, you see there? Put the key inside, look there, light. Put inside, light go. Turn the key on, no security light. That means the key is good. So what we did is we go and we take one of the injector wire out here. We took one injector wire out here, one of them. When we check it, it have power and it have a signal. It works fine. So I disconnect this place here and I spray carburetor or carburetor cleaner spray. As soon as I spray it a little bit, boom, the car start running. That means injector coil is firing. We have a spark. Also injector is there. So maybe a fuel pump, maybe somebody put a cheap fuel pump there, or something have to be checked on the fuel pressure line or the fuel pump itself. Maybe it is not going there, it is not power or anything. But this is a quick diagnosis for this one. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. This is Mohamed Harun Idris.